Part B. So to crash the project from the duration of 25 to 24 periods, we needed to crash the critical path, which is ADFG for the first round. The rule says we need to cut the least expensive activity on the critical path. In our case, ADFG, ADFG. Along this path, A is the least expensive activity, so we should cut A. And the choice here is to cut A. Cut A. The resulting impact on each path, 22, will be 23, will be 24. And at the end of the first round of cut, ADFG remains the critical path. So our log here, from 25 to 24, the change, activity to be changed, right? Activities changed, yeah. A basis A. The cost, additional cost, to cut A by 1 period is 20. So the cumulative direct cost is 470. We add 20 to 450. And the indirect schedule, 350 is here. So we add this, we get, right, 820. So it looks like we are in the right direction because our total cost is reduced by $30. So we should aim for 24 period instead of 25. Now, what happens to 23? We need to find out. To move from 24 periods to 23 periods, yeah, we need to cut the critical path. In our case, it's ADFG. All right. Now, where to start? Oh, by the way, since we decide to cut A by 1 period, right? So A now becomes a 2, right? Because after the first round of cut, right, it was 3. Now, I realize that 2 periods is the minimum time. We have reached the crashing point for A. So here, they match. A 2 and 2, so we cannot cut A any longer. Mark. Now to continue to cut ADFG's critical path, since A is gone and G is not available, then between D remaining 2 activities, D and F, we need to cut D for second round. Yeah. Cut D because D is 25, cheaper than F. So to cut D, what's the impact of cutting D? There's no impact on the first one, 22. And D, no impact on the second one, 23. Since we cut D, right, the only impact is the last one, so it's 23. Now, we saw 2 critical paths. When D is cut from 11 to 10 by 1 period, now we have this as our critical path. Now let's put in our log. D is cut. And the cost of cutting D is 25. So we put 25 here. Then the cumulative direct cost would be 25 to 470, 495 together. We would have 795. It's still cheaper than 820. That means cutting 2 from 24 to 23 periods is the right direction. Let's continue. What about 22 periods? To get to 22 periods, let's see round 3. We need to cut both critical path. Let's put round 3 here. It's a little jammed here. I will try to make that happen. Okay, let it run. So we need to cut both critical path from 23 to 22. Since F here, note that F is on the merge, is the merge activity on both critical path. Yeah, F is a good choice. If we, for example, if we don't cut F, we have to cut either C or D individually separately, right? So then the total cost C and D, that would be 55, much more expensive than cutting the merge activity along F. So in this case, F is a good choice. So we cut F here. Impact. If we cut F, let's see, there's no, here is 22, and this 22, and there's no change to the top critical path. And we immediately realize that, yeah, 22, all three activities, paths have become critical path. So we decide to cut F, let's record it here, F cut from 4 to 4. And we have reached the crashing point for F, because 4 and 4, we marked off. Okay, let's pause here.